Why does your scanner show the P2775 engine code? What does it mean? P2775 is a diagnostic trouble code for upshift switch circuit range or performance. The P2775 error code indicates an upshift switch circuit range or performance fault. It means your vehicle's computer, PCM or TCM, has detected voltage or performance irregularities from the manual upshift switch, commonly known as TAP shift or Tiptronic. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring problems, poor connections, fluid spills, control module failure, faulty upshift switch. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Hyundai, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.